Hello guys, welcome back. Join me as I prepare this comforting dinner which entails flavorful chicken, soft ugali and cabbage. Join me guys, let me take you through this video step by step. Welcome, let's start cooking. We're going to start frying the chicken. So first frying the onion. I've added salt, and then we're going to add tomatoes, ginger and garlic. We're gonna stir and then cook, leave them to cook, and then I'll go ahead and add my spices. I'm gonna be including my spices on my description box, so you guys can check them out. That's dark soy sauce. So I'm gonna give them a mix and then I'll leave them to cook. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water, then cover, so because you have to make sure these spices are cooked before we add the chicken. So here I'm back. I'm cooking our traditional chicken, which is reared in the village. Dark chicken. So my spices are well cooked. I'm just gonna add the chicken, boil them a bit, and then we'll finish with danias and leaf onion. So guys, stay tuned as I take you along through this recipe. So at this step, we're going to be adding the danias and the onion. Then we'll stir, and then our chicken is ready guys, and it's looking yummy. So we'll go on to the next item that we're going to cook. We're going to fry onions again, and then at this point we're gonna add our carrots and the cabbage. We're frying the cabbage. This is the simplest recipe for cabbage, which I normally use when I'm cooking dinner, maybe with rice, from accompany rice and also ugali. I'm adding salt to taste, and then we'll stir, as you can see guys. And we don't overcook the cabbages. Just 5 minutes cabbage cooked. Then I'll also add leaf onion and dania. I love leaf onion and dania because they have a very nice taste. So we'll stir, and our cabbages are ready. We switch off the cooker, and then we'll keep them aside so that we can go ahead and cook ugali. Guys, stay tuned. I'll show you how I cook my ugali. So with the boiling water, I'm gonna be adding my maize flour, and then start mixing until I form ugali. So this is how you make ugali or fufu. You mix until it's well combined. For those who don't know how to make ugali, so after mixing, I'll be covering it for 20 minutes, and I reduce the heat and leave it to cook. So you cook with a high heat. When it's well combined, you cover and leave it to cook for 20-30 minutes, whichever time you feel like leaving it. But at least 20 minutes, your ugali will be well done. Yeah, you cover and leave it to cook. Here I'm back, guys, and my ugali is ready. So we're gonna remove it from the chico, and now our dinner is ready, and I'm ready to serve. So see, when it's ready, it should not stick on your mwiko. And here you go, guys. Yummy dinner, very flavorful, perfectly done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, leave a message for me, subscribe, share, and let me see you on another video. Make sure you put your notification bells on. Ciao, guys.